If you conduct a lot of presentations, this is the video for you. PowerPoint uses AI to tell you how to improve your presentation skills. Whether you are a beginner or you are an expert presenter, you are going to benefit from this because it's really intelligent. It's there in all Office 365 versions of PowerPoint, on desktop, on browser, on Android, on iOS, everywhere. I have this presentation open in browser. I am about to run the presentation. Before I do that, go to slideshow, and here I have an option called Rehearse with Coach. Now it's a very good idea to enable this body language checkbox. What does this do? It uses the camera and it looks at you and it listens to you and it correlates it with the PowerPoint slides. So now I'm going to click on Rehearse with Coach. It still starts the presentation and now it will say start rehearsing. Now whatever I'm speaking is getting analyzed. My video is getting analyzed. The way I speak, everything is getting analyzed. So I'm going to speak very slowly. And I'm going to scratch my face, look away, do all kinds of bad things. AI terms, artificial intelligence, GPT, general pre-trained transformer explanation. And now I'm going to stop the session. Now, as soon as I finish, it gives me a nice rehearsal report. It's telling me overall pace was like this. Across time, it looked like this. You did use good vocabulary, but some pronunciation was bad. It will allow you to hear the pronunciation. Artificial. And you can even practice. Even the eye contact part, it's actually showing me a comparison of my own way of speaking, saying this one is bad, this is how you should do. This is outstanding. This was just a small demo, but look at what it can understand and guide you about. It's about delivery, how fast or slow you talk, then variation in the pace as well. Filler words like oh, ah, or some people have some favorite word which when they are stuck mentally, they repeat. It finds those and prompts you about that. Pitch of the voice. If you talk in monotone, it's boring. The more variation in pitch is there, the more effective the presentation is. Pronunciations are very important, especially if you are a big boss. If you regularly mispronounce a word, neither your subordinate nor your colleagues nor your customers are going to tell you about it, but PowerPoint coach will tell you and help you practice and improve your pronunciation. It also talks about originality. That means don't just read what is written on the screen. What's the point? What are you adding value about? So you should interpret, make it easier for people to understand. Inclusiveness, sexual orientation, racial slur, gender bias, all these things which typically we look at when it comes to editing text or documents, this PowerPoint coach is also able to understand, which is outstanding. This is real good use of AI. It also looks at audience engagement, body language, and the best part is when you continue rehearsing again and again, it actually shows you the improvement happening. So that's how you present your point with power, and that's why it is called PowerPoint. Remember, not just you, there may be many other people whom you know about who are great in their knowledge, in their experience, in their expertise, but because they are not able to present well, they may not achieve what they really deserve to achieve. So that's why share it with everyone around you. Before you go, I've created another video which talks about 5 critical skills you should have using PowerPoint features to present better. Have a look at that. So that's it for now. Thank you.